warm and delightful morning to Reverend Sister Manjusha, our principal, respected teachers, and dear Ramneeites. It is with a mix of pride, gratitude, and a touch of sadness that I stand before you all to deliver my last speech as the head girl of this prestigious institution. Though I have stood here multiple times, but today I can feel my hands trembling. The journey of 13 long years comes to an end today, and how fast the time flies, it's truly unbelievable. March 21, 2024. Class 12A was performing the titration practical in the chemistry lab with respected Miss Astha Sharma in front of me when our principal, Reverend Sister Manjusha, announced the cabinet of the following year. That day was surreal. It will be hard for me to put into words what all the cabinet members must have felt at that moment. We all immediately rushed towards Sister's office in our lab coats to take her blessings. Being the head girl of this institution has been more than a title. It has been a responsibility, a privilege, and an opportunity to grow. It was never about standing at the forefront, but about representing the institution and carrying forward its legacy. Today, I take this opportunity to thank our principal, Reverend Sister Manjusha, and the school management for entrusting me with this significant responsibility. Dear Sister Manjusha, thank you for understanding me at every step of my life. You have held my back in the most difficult times. Thank you once again for your valuable support and constant encouragement. Dear teachers, today if I am standing here, it is only because of you all. Though most of the teachers who have taught me previously are not here, but I truly miss them and I am highly grateful to them. Thank you, dear teachers, for guiding me at every step. Your belief and trust have laid the foundation of my growth. Dear Ramneeites, you all have played a major role in this journey of mine. Your minute lies for not wearing the ID card or house badge, your excuses, I know them all. How can I forget the terror on your faces while taking the check-in? And yes, the speed with which you shut your blazer buttons upon seeing any captain is truly appreciable. Thank you for giving me unforgettable memories and countless experiences. To all my juniors present here, always listen to your heart and paint the boundless skies with your dreams and imaginations. Life is too short to worry about what the world says, isn't it? So just keep soaring high and trust your abilities. This one is for you, my dear Vice Head Girl, Navpreet Kaur. Thank you for being an excellent support. I was truly grateful to have you as the Vice Head Girl by my side. Lastly, a huge vote of thanks to everyone who has helped me in this journey. I thereby end my role as your head girl with the same motto with which I had started it. Labor omnia vincit. May all of us have a bright future ahead. Hasta la vista. Signing off, Fatima Siddiqui, Head Girl 2024.